Hello everyone, and a warm welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. Today, we're embarking on a comprehensive journey through the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. For our regular viewers, you know the importance of this topic. And if you're new here, strap in because we're diving deep. For those who crave the nitty-gritty details, www.wisdomwavashub.com is your go-to. The link's conveniently placed in the description. Now, onto our main event. Clause 2.1, Right of Access to the Site. At its core, this clause is the linchpin of construction contracts. It's the assurance that the contractor can start their work seamlessly, having the necessary access to the site. But, as with all things in the contractual world, there's more beneath the surface. You see, Clause 2.1 doesn't stand alone. It's the epicenter of a vast web of interconnected clauses, each adding layers of depth and context. Let's start with subclause 16.2d. This is where the stakes get high. If the contractor faces unexpected delays or costs because the employer missed the mark on site access, this subclause is their beacon, and it's not to be taken lightly. It could escalate to contract termination with just a 14-day heads-up. But the intricacies of the FIDIC Yellow Book don't end there. Enter Clause 4.12, which tackles unforeseeable physical conditions. Picture this scenario. The contractor, tools in hand, is all set to start, but then they're blindsided by unexpected site conditions due to incomplete access. This clause is their parachute, offering a safety net to seek additional time or compensation. Now, let's talk about the big gun. Clause 20.1, the contractor's claims. This is the contractor's toolkit, their playbook when they need to stake a claim for more time or money. But it's not a free-for-all. There's a strict 28-day window from the moment they spot the issue. And of course, in the world of contracts, disagreements are par for the course. That's where Clause 3.5, the determination, shines. It's the mediator, the voice of reason. When there's a rift about site access or any other contractual gray area, the engineer steps in, reviews the situation, and delivers a binding decision, ensuring everyone's on the same page. Navigating this maze of clauses isn't a walk in the park. It demands meticulous planning, crystal clear communication, and a proactive mindset. Both the employer and the contractor need to be laser-focused, ensuring the project doesn't hit any unexpected roadblocks. A golden nugget for those grappling with site access delays: be prompt in issuing the right notice of access delay letters. This is especially crucial for those in the MENA region, where FIDIC conditions of contracts are the benchmark. And here's a priceless piece of advice. Always keep detailed records. They're not just paperwork. They're your shield and sword in case of future claims. In wrapping up, understanding Clause 2.1 and its vast network of related clauses is more than just contractual knowledge. It's an art. This guide is your map, helping both contractors and employers navigate this intricate landscape with confidence. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. If this added value to your day, show some love with a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives. And remember, for an even more detailed exploration, www.wisdomwavashub.com awaits. Until our next adventure, keep expanding your horizons and growing.